Good morning. Welcome to this week's vlog. It is July 9th and I've actually filmed a lot of clips. I just haven't done a talking clip yet because my microphone, I had no batteries for my microphone and I finally got them, so I'm able to film a talking clip now. But I kind of want to recap my past week. So I did finish and post the Cholula top and this is how it looks. Super cute. I had a lot of fun making this one and it did sell, so that was nice. I need to pack and ship that order out this week, as well as some other things. Yesterday I spent some time making some purse chains or keychains. They have clips so you can clip them kind of anywhere. But I had so much fun making these and I made about 6 of them. They're so cute. They look really cute on my purse and I'm just obsessed with them. So I want to show you close-ups of each one that I made. So this is the siren purse chain. I was going for mermaid. I have this stacked bow design. I have this cute little star, a little lock. I beaded this, which was really cute. And then I also beaded this, and I have a little octopus charm. So this one is really cute and fun. Then we have this green and black one. I use these swirly charms a lot in these. I think they're really cute. And I have this little martini glass that I thought was so cute, and then a silver lock. Next up we have the soft girl purse chain. I love this ribbon. And it has a cute little teddy bear, another lock, this pretty star, and then I beaded this simple little thing. I love this one. I really want to keep it. Next we have the angelic one. I have this little hardware here. This has another teddy bear, a star, this little bead set. This one is the carnival girl purse chain. I have these cute little carnival charms. Here's one, a carousel. Sparkles, another lock, and an ice cream cone, and then this cute little bead set. And then I love this bow, this layered bow with the gingham and then the pink. And lastly, we have the straw baby purse chain. This one sold. It's really cute. It has this red heart lock, this little bead set, a strawberry, of course, and then a little star charm. So those were all the purse chains that I made. They are for sale on my website, so I'll be sure to link those below in case any of you guys want one. I also recently took a little mini road trip to visit some family, and I went to this super cute bookshop that it was in the town that I was in, and it was a bookshop and cafe, and it was literally amazing. I was obsessed with it. I was like, why can't this be where I live? And now I want to open up a bookshop cafe. I want to show the book that I picked up and some other bookish things that I got. I picked up Summer Romance at this bookshop, and I had seen so many of the booktubers that I watch currently reading this one or having just read it. And I don't really like covers like this, so the books always are so good, and so I just have to get over that. I really so far am enjoying the book. When I bought it, I sat down at the bookshop and I just started reading, and already in the first chapter I was just oh my god, I'm really enjoying this. It definitely helps that the main female character has the exact same name and is spelled the same way as me, so that's fun to be able to just insert myself right into the book. But I'm currently on page 84, chapter 10, and I've tabbed a few things. It's been a while since I've tabbed a book. I don't know the last time I tabbed a book, so that is a good sign. And there's been a few quotes in here that I thought were just relatable. The writing is really good, and I'm very much enjoying myself with this book. So I got some clips over this past week of me reading it, attempting to go outside. I lasted about 15 minutes and I could not do it. I was sweating. It's so hot here in Texas, and I can't even enjoy being outside, which really sucks. So yeah, I've been reading this book this past week. I got a good chunk of it read last night, and I really want to finish this book this week. I need to finish a book because it's been 2 months. So This book, I believe, is going to get me out of my reading slump, and I'm so excited to continue reading it. Next, from that bookshop, I got this Bookish candle. Look how cute. It is a resand candle, and it smells literally so good. I burned it once so far, but I can literally just leave it in a room. Like I left this in my work office open, and it smelled up my room, and it smells so good. It smells like manly. Like it definitely has muskiness to it, which not everyone likes. I personally love a musk. It is so good. So CE Craft Candles, they had a few of their candles in the shop, and I'm gonna have to check out more of their candles because it smells really good. I can't stand a candle when you can't smell it. This past week I did some baking. I've really been in a blueberry mood this summer, so I made some like blueberry lavender cookies, and they were so good. I'm really good recipe, like the base recipe for the cookies I really like, and so I want to try doing like some regular chocolate chip ones or something like that. I also made some blueberry lemonade that was really delicious, and I did put a bit of vanilla in there as well, so that was really good. I've been in a blueberry mood this summer. So today I want to pack up orders that need to go. I really want to crochet another book sleeve. I'm in the mood to crochet book stuff. And then I also really want to just read. I finished the crochet portion of the book sleeve, and I also ate some breakfast, and I'm going to take a little break now and read some of my book. And I decided to come outside on my back patio and read because it's like 80 degrees right now, so not terrible, and it's like 10:30 in the morning, so it's gonna just get hotter. There's like a nice breeze, so I'm going to try to enjoy some time outside while I can and read some of my book, and then get back to work. I'll go probably pack some orders and then finish this book sleeve. Welcome to my room. I took a shower, and I really just want to continue reading my book right now. I should probably do some more work on the book sleeve and packing my orders, but I mean, it's only 11:50 in the morning, like it's not even noon. So I think I am going to take maybe the next 30 minutes to just kind of read some more and not feel bad about it. Good morning. It's July 10th, And it's 10:30 in the morning right now, and I just finished designing this new book sleeve. So this is the book sleeve. It has this really cute little bunny on here, and then I sewed a bow down and then did some lace here and then a ribbon side with a bow, and then I don't know if you can see, but I did some rhinestones on here so it's a little bit shiny on like the pocket. It's giving like very cottagecore, whimsical, just like with this bunny and this like pistachio green color and the white. I'm really vibing with it. It's super cute. And I love that I added the rhinestone details. I have yet to do that on a book sleeve. So finished this. My orders are all packed up and ready to be dropped off at the post office. So now I just need to kind of figure out what else I want to do today. I'll just give an update on Summer Romance because I did read this last night while I was in bed before I went to sleep. And I got to page 191, chapter 26, so I got a good amount read yesterday. I think I started yesterday on page like 40 or something like that, and I read a lot, so that's exciting. I almost want to just finish this book today. It's only like 315 pages, so I have like 100 some pages left. So I really want to finish it. I'm loving this book. I don't know if it's going to be a 5-star read, but it's definitely going to be at least a 4. It's great. I love it so far, and I can't wait to finish it. I need to film a short form video, so I'll probably film a video for this book sleeve to post today, so I'll probably do that next. And then after I film the video, I'm gonna read and then figure out what else I want to do today. This week was kind of up in the air of like what I wanted to create. I did the keychains, I did the book sleeve. I think I'm gonna probably start a crochet top next, but I need to figure out what top I want to do because I'm continuing my series of crocheting things inspired by stuff that doesn't make sense. And so I did the Cholula hot sauce, the Oli oat milk, and then I want to start my next one, which I don't know what it is quite yet. I have an idea, but I'm not going to share yet. Let me get to filming some content to post, and then I'm gonna read. This morning I finished Summer Romance and I gave it a 4.5 stars. It was so close to a 5-star. I just think I wasn't obsessed with the male main character, Ethan, that I just knocked it down like just half a star. But I loved Allie and I loved like the side characters as well and her kids and like everyone but the husband, the ex-husband. Overall, a really great read. I have some good tabs in here. There were just like a bunch of quotes that I really liked, and I definitely recommend reading this, especially in the summer. It was the perfect summer read, and this was literally the first book that I finished in 2 months and the first book that I tabbed in a long time. So I think that this is going down as one of my favorite summer reads, and I definitely recommend checking it out. I think I'm going to close the video out here. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep up with what I'm creating and making, be sure to follow my business Instagram down below. And as always, like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me here on YouTube. And I'll see y'all in the next one.